Hi guys, welcome back. This is the part 4 or part 5, can't remember, of the stash for 2019. These are all from Galactic sale day. Saw Nigel, his wife and that, and they're all really nice. Helped me choose a few, and yeah, very helpful, so thanks to them. These were on the sale day, so the prices are very good, and I'll explain all the prices and stuff. So I was just starting off with these. I didn't get a lot, like in quantity, but the quality's there. So these are all my more noise ones. Prime Bomb Extreme I'll start with. These are all by the Elite range of Brightstar. 251 grams, that's the effects. Effects don't really matter, it's just noise. Loud. Doesn't look as loud now. I've seen it has been changed or something. It looked incredible a few years back, that's why I bought it, and then I looked at a recent video and it looks just average. But £7, can't complain really. This was 15 quid, I'm pretty sure, 15 or £20. This does regain its noise though. This is a stupidly loud Firework. Red, green, yellow, blue and purple burster white glitter. 397 grams. That's pretty good for a cake of this size. It's only really your average size. It's got probably 25mm, 20mm. I'd say they're quite 30. But yeah, noise is there. That's a really nice one. Check out the videos for all of these and you'll see. This, love it. Different, so different to just your average Firework. This is just straight noise if you've never seen it before. It is more of a whistle side, so I know some people don't like the whistle at all, but this is more like a howl, as you can see. Yeah, it's just a howl whistle and ghost scream. They're just a bit different. If you watch the video, you'll see them, and it fires in like banks of 5 or something like that. 281 grams, not too bad at all. Paid about £19. Yeah, so that's just unique. These are all from the Elite range by Brightstar. Next, also by Brightstar. I just tried to get them 3 out because they're all on the similar side. I suppose these are as well. Atom bombs. I'm sure most people have had these once in their lifetime. Me, I never have, but this year's the time to get them. What's the effects? I'll get it in the light. 136 grams, which is 68 grams in each. Switch hands. Yep, so the twin burst, I think this is. Yeah, twin burst. I'm not really sure how it works because they're all double in one anyway. Not sure if it means twin burst is in one too, or it's double in here in each. Hopefully it's 2 shots in each tube. Because they're quite decent then. Yep, they're just stupid loud as well, so I've got them. Next, I'm going to just kick this one. Oh shit. This one is different now. I wanted to get this over here as well. Jelly beans. The colours on this are stupidly nice. If you watch the video, see what I mean? It literally is just jelly beans in the sky. Where's the... This is 570 grams. Don't know if the... Oh yeah. Rocket tail to colour burst. Fires in banks of 3 obviously, because of the shape of it. Yep, these are 30mm. Big tubes. Banks of 3. Lovely colours on them. You'll see the video, go watch it. You need to watch it, it's just an awesome Firework. So, well, I was going for more unique Fireworks, as I think I said. So obviously noise, more whistles, colours which you never really see in a Firework. Moving on to the rockets, with unique as well, Sky Raiders. These have some really cool effects in them. It's by Primed, you get 10 in a pack. Oh, prices, sorry. So £7, £15 or 20, can't remember. 19.99, £7. That was 35 or 39, but it's worth it either way. And these are only £15 or £12.50, one of them. Incredible prices, really. Because originally I actually wasn't going to go, and then I decided on Sunday, I was like, just gotta go, let's be honest. 330 grams on these, 33 grams in each rocket, I think, if I can count. Yeah, it's got some really cool effects in there. Sorry, let me show it. 4 corner crackling, that's really unique if you watch a video for these rockets. Brocade crown, just your usual nice effect. A cross set of crackling, again another unique one, fires up, and then 2 little green stars come out and then they burst into 4 again. Blue cocoa with gold glitter and red and white strobe. And you're probably thinking, why is there only 5 effects on there? You get 2 of each. So it's nice to have a bit more than just 1 each. Yeah, so they're only 15 quid, so I can't really turn them down. Now, moving on to the biggest thing I bought. Absolutely incredible rockets, you know what's coming. Galactic rockets, it's a no-brainer. Supernovas. These are so tall. Weigh quite a lot. Yeah, surprisingly, it is not actually as tall as the Superrocks I've got by Kelso. These are actually a lot smaller than them, but I still think these are going to outperform them. Giant brocade. This is the giant brocade. You'll see what I've done in a minute. Because obviously it's a nice effect, but you don't really want just this. 169 grams in one rocket. That's really nice. I was looking for the brocade wall rockets, but I don't know where to buy them. So I just went with these. That's one. And then paid £12.50 for that. That's ridiculous. And then obviously the Superstrokes. Twin pack of them. Yeah. Same weight, I believe. Actually not. I'm just saying that. Only 163 grams. Well, I say only, but these have got less. So focus. These have got less than the brocades. But these are going to outperform them any day. Obviously, if you've seen these, the hang time on them is just ridiculous. So, giant strobe. £20 I paid for these, for both of them in one pack. You just can't refuse that. You paid £20 for one on by itself. I think it's even £25 for one. So £20 for 2. No brainer. It's fast to focus. There we go. So yeah, that's it for. That's it for this year, I'd say. Like I said, doing them with Matt Spyro, he's another YouTuber on here. Yeah, so I'll try and record most of it. I'm hopefully going to try and get a GoPro, and then I can just stick that on my head, and then obviously you can see everything through my eyes. But I'll look into that, because I want to try and capture most of these on video. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, and leave some comments if you've got any questions about Galactic or these. And yeah, let's see you on Bonfire night, I guess.